Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gelatin blocks. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 envelopes of unflavored gelatin, 1 1/2 cups of cold water, and 1/2 cup of boiling water. Don't forget 1 package of your favorite flavored gelatin. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can quickly move to the next steps for delicious treats. Now let's get mixing. First, pour the 1 1/2 cups of cold water into a medium-sized bowl. Next, sprinkle the 2 envelopes of unflavored gelatin evenly over the cold water. Allow this mixture to stand undisturbed for about 1 minute. This helps the gelatin soften properly. Then, add the 1/2 cup of boiling water and stir continuously until all the gelatin granules are completely dissolved. With the unflavored gelatin dissolved, it's time to add the fun. Stir in your chosen package of flavored gelatin until it's completely dissolved and the color is uniform. Carefully pour this vibrant mixture into an 8-inch square pan. Now for the waiting game. Refrigerate the pan for a minimum of 3 hours, or until the gelatin is perfectly firm and set. Patience ensures perfect blocks. Your gelatin blocks are ready. To remove them, gently loosen the edges of the set gelatin with a small knife. Then, invert the pan onto a clean cutting board. Using a sharp knife, cut the gelatin into neat 1-inch squares. These delightful, wobbly treats are perfect for snacking or sharing. Any leftover blocks can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.